NxTGEN Incorporate Thermostat Plus Medical Grade Hepa. A one-way valve has and what I really ni mo gamiton or kung mukaon ka wipes. And the strap also kit, it's really protecting you, fits face shield. And now let's try kung I got some deliveries, and this time it is from NxTGEN Incorporated. NxTGEN is the creator of one of the most comfortable masks, yet very dependable. Why? Because they use highly acclaimed Thermostat Plus medical grade HEPA filter. And what I have now is the F0230 Pro. Well, F0230 Pro is like an upgraded version of the F0230. Because with this one, the one-way valve has been omitted and solid filters has been bundled in the Pro pack. So, no more mask or filter cutouts, no hassle, at the same time, sure jud ka nga protected. And I think there are some establishment who doesn't allow mask na ay valves. And if ever you have been following me, I've been always campaigning and an advocate for us to use a reusable mask because kanang surgical mask, sure jud nga protected, but in the same way, ato ra gyud ang malabay or disposable jud siya. And daghan na kay basura. And using a fabric mask, dili kita sure nga protected. But at least with this, it is like wearing a low-profile mask but with the function similar to an industrial respirator. And what I really like also with this packaging na kinaagi siya kuyog nga dust mask or something like that kung asa nimo ibutan imuhang mask kung dili nimo gamiton or kung mukaon ka. And of course, they have the inner silicone frame and the outer hard plastic frame also. In which with this, dali ra gyud nimo siya ma-sterilize, pwede ra nimo tapuhan og mga disinfectant wipes. And the strap also pwede ra gyud siya malabhan. And it comes also with filters. I don't know kung pila ka bukang pakapin, and let me check it. So there are 3 nga apil. So let's try to use it. So muna, ibutan lang mo siya. Then you put the inner gasket and then you're off to use it. So if you have noticed, wala na gyud ang valve. So this is really protecting you and the same way protecting others also. Unlike most respirators, actually dili gyud ka makaprotect sa people around you because naa siya exhaust valve. And since this one is using a replaceable H&V Technostat Plus medical grade HEPA filter, so it's just like using a respirator because it filters 99.9% of 0.3 micron particulates including viruses and bacteria. And what I really like also about this NxTGEN 0230 Pro is this highly adjustable strap. Kaya if you have noticed, ang ubang strap na sakit kayo sa tuang dunggan or sa tuang likod. Well, kani siya medyo nipis lang. Then, bitaro na to put it around your neck. Then, place the mask, and in which they claim also, and I would agree that the mask would be one size fits most. Then pull the upper portion of the strap, then ibutang din around your neck. So yun, ana siya comfortable, dili kay sakit sa dunggan, dili siya sakit sa tuang likod. And it is not that big or bulky nga masangko if ever we will be wearing a face shield. And now let's try kung klaro ba kung tingog if ever mo storya ko with the mask, kay mo so gina siya pinaka-importante. So for that, let me just say my outro also. Don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!